Welcome to Soulful Kitchen, where we believe your kitchen should feed both body and soul. Today we're diving into 14 stunning ways to bring Ken Fulk's tropical paradise aesthetic into your cooking space. Think lush jungle vibes meets modern organic elegance. Whether you're renovating or just dreaming, let's explore these breathtaking design inspirations together. Walk into this kitchen, and it feels like vacation instantly, with bright terrazzo underfoot and leafy wallpaper wrapping you in green. The rounded oak island keeps everything soft and friendly, while marble on top looks effortlessly crisp. Rattan pendants throw gentle shadows as palms crowd the window like they're invited guests. It's playful, polished, and very Ken Fulk-inspired. Every surface stays practical, so cooking feels easy, not staged. This one is all about calm sunshine and smart storage. Sage cabinets tuck clutter away, so the room always looks fresh, even on busy mornings. The quartzite island reads like river stone, cool to the touch, perfect for chopping and chatting. Woven shades and terracotta pots keep it grounded, while vines soften the edges. When the big window glows, the whole kitchen feels quietly tropical and totally livable all day. Concrete, steel, and a punchy jungle mural make this loft kitchen feel like a cool club that also feeds you. White lacquer cabinets keep the backdrop clean, so the plants can do the drama without stealing prep space. A thick concrete island handles everything from espresso to late-night tacos. Brass details catch the sunlight and add swagger. Step back and it's urban energy, softened by greenery everywhere around you. Always. Think breezy beach house, but with a lush twist. Seafoam cabinets and pale oak keep the vibe light, while palm tiles climb up and instantly say tropical. The arched window is the real hero, pouring sunlight over rattan pendants and easygoing textiles. Plants feel curated, not chaotic, like you actually have time to water them. It's cheerful, airy, and perfect for slow brunches with friends, fresh fruit, and music playing. This kitchen goes bold and moody, like a tropical night garden indoors. Deep green panels and parquet floors set the stage, then brass and fluted glass sparkle when sunlight hits. The emerald stone island feels like a jewel you can lean on. Patterns show up in little doses, so it stays chic, not messy. Open the French doors, and the terrace feels like an extension of the party after dinner. Small space, big escape. The terrazzo floor keeps it bright, and the jumble mural gives you instant depth without eating up inches. Slim oak cabinets work hard behind the scenes, while the marble-topped peninsula lets you prep, eat, and laptop all in one spot. Brass rail shelves show off a few favorite pieces, not every dish you own. Sun from the balcony makes it feel twice as wide today, too. Here the tropical vibe meets mid-century confidence. Walnut cabinets with rounded corners feel nostalgic, but the jade-toned stone keeps it current. Globe pendants add that cozy, evening glow even in daylight, and the leaf backsplash brings in just enough fun. Sliding glass opens straight to the courtyard, so banana leaves become your artwork. It's the kind of kitchen where cocktails and homework can happen at the same time with ease. This one feels like a spa you can cook in. Limestone and plaster stay soft and matte, and that travertine island looks carved, not manufactured. Everything else disappears into quiet oak cabinetry, so the view becomes the decor. The arched window frames dense greenery like a living painting, and sunlight makes the stone glow warm. Keep styling simple, ceramics, baskets, a few palms, and the calm does the rest for you daily. It's industrial, but not cold. Brick and black steel give structure, then warm wood shelving and a butcher block island bring you back to earth. Plants go big here, palms, vines, everything, so the kitchen feels like an indoor greenhouse with a serious stove. The factory window floods the room with honest daylight, making even matte black cabinets look inviting. Perfect for people who like edge and comfort together on a regular basis. This kitchen feels sun-kissed and soulful, like a little coastal town with jungle nearby. Terracotta tiles add instant warmth, and arched niches keep things charming and practical. The oak cabinets look handcrafted, while the pale island keeps it modern and easy to clean. Patterned curtains and woven baskets add personality, without trying too hard. When you swing open those French doors, the courtyard greenery becomes part of the recipe today. If you love minimalism but still want a little wow, this is it. Pale floors and clean lines keep the kitchen feeling open, and the oak cabinets hide the everyday mess. Then the oversized palm wallpaper shows up like a surprise guest, instantly lifting the mood. Shelves stay simple, plants stay fresh, and nothing feels fussy. The big window does the heavy lifting, turning daylight into your best design feature. This space is pure cocktail hour energy, even at breakfast. Emerald cabinets shine, chevron floors add movement, and the scalloped marble backsplash feels like jewelry for your stove. Brass trims and smoky glass bring that Art Deco glamour, but the curved island keeps it friendly and social. Velvet stools make you want to linger, while sunlight bouncing off metal and glass keeps everything crisp. Step outside, and the terrace continues the vibe. This kitchen feels like a cabin getaway that somehow landed in the tropics. Timber beams and white plaster keep it bright, while soapstone and weathered wood add that lived-in texture. The jungle tile behind the range is the fun twist, like a wink in an otherwise grounded palette. Woven pendants and linen curtains soften the edges. With sunlight filtering through greenery at the sink, cooking turns into a slow ritual. This one feels like a boutique hotel suite that happens to have a killer kitchen. Ivory glossy cabinets keep it sleek, while the mirrored jungle backsplash adds depth and a little mischief. The marble peninsula on a brass base is perfect for quick meals and long chats. Smoked glass uppers hide clutter, so everything stays polished. Plants by the balcony look intentional, and sunlight makes the whole room sparkle like champagne. From moody emerald glamour to breezy coastal serenity, these Ken Fulk-inspired tropical kitchens prove that jungle accents and modern organic style create truly soulful spaces. Which design spoke to your heart? Drop a comment below, hit that like button if you're inspired, and subscribe for more stunning kitchen transformations. Happy designing, friends!